These are the 5 largest factory-built pickup trucks, massive production monsters. Today we're focusing on pure truck greatness straight from the assembly line. No custom builds, no aftermarket modifications, just the absolute largest pickup trucks you can buy, factory direct with a warranty. While custom shops can build some outrageous rigs, there's something special about massive trucks that roll right off the production line, ready to dominate the road. These factory behemoths combine size, capability, and the engineering refinement that only major manufacturers can deliver. 5. Ram 3500 Heavy-Duty Megacab DRW. This behemoth measures in at a massive 22 feet long, from bumper to bumper when equipped with the 8-foot bed, stands 6.5 feet tall in stock form, and spans 8 feet 7 inches wide across those massive rear fenders. That width actually requires commercial clearance lights by law, just like tractor trailers. Under the hood sits the legendary 6.7-liter Cummins inline-6 turbo diesel, generating 420 horsepower and an incredible 1,075 pound-feet of torque in its latest iteration. This engine is so massive and durable that it's essentially a commercial truck power plant, detuned slightly for pickup use. The Mega in Megacab isn't marketing hype. This configuration offers the largest cab in the pickup world with limo-like rear seat legroom, measuring 43.3 inches. The rear seats can recline up to 15 degrees, and there's enough interior volume to haul full-sized furniture with the seats folded. What truly earns the Ram 3500 its place on this list are its extraordinary capabilities. When properly equipped, it can tow up to 37,100 pounds and carry a payload of 7,680 pounds. To put that in perspective, that's like towing a full-size school bus while carrying 4 adult bison in the bed. The factory engineering that goes into making these capabilities possible is impressive. Frame rails nearly 3/8 inch thick, massive 14-inch rear brakes, and a cooling system that can handle hours of maximum load climbing in Death Valley heat. The Ram 3500 HD Megacab with all the options comes in around $95,000, making it not just one of the largest factory pickups, but also one of the most capable vehicles of any kind that consumers can buy without special licensing. What's most impressive is that you can walk into any Ram dealership across the country and order one today. No specialty shops or custom builders required. This is massive capability, factory engineered and backed by a full manufacturer warranty. Number 4. Ford F450 Super Duty Crew Cab. While casual observers might confuse it with its smaller F350 sibling, the F450 pickup stands apart with its wider front track, commercial-grade 19.5-inch wheels, and significantly beefier frame and components. It stretches 22.5 feet long, stands 6.8 feet tall stock, and spans 8 feet 8 inches across its dual rear wheels. Power comes from Ford's 6.7-liter Power Stroke 8 turbo diesel putting out 475 horsepower and a mountain-moving 1,050 pound-feet of torque. This engine is so massive that just the oil pan holds 13 quarts, about 3 times what a typical passenger car engine holds. What truly separates the F450 from lesser trucks is its commercial-grade foundation. Ford borrows heavily from their medium-duty commercial trucks, giving the F450 a frame significantly thicker than the F350, massive 14.5-inch brakes, and a cooling package designed for continuous extreme duty. The numbers tell the story of why this truck deserves its place on our list. 37,000 pounds of gooseneck towing capacity, 32,900 pounds conventional towing, and a payload rating of 6,190 pounds. Those aren't just impressive numbers, they're capabilities that would have required a commercial truck just a generation ago. Despite its industrial-grade underpinnings, the F450 Limited trim offers luxury car amenities, including massaging seats, real wood trim, a panoramic sunroof, and technology features that rival luxury sedans costing twice as much. What's fascinating about the F450 pickup is how it straddles 2 worlds. It's registered as a Class 3 vehicle, like consumer pickups, despite having many Class 4 commercial truck components. This classification gives owners the advantage of driving a commercial-grade vehicle without requiring a commercial driver's license. The price for this massive capability starts around $90,000 for base models and can exceed $110,000 for the top-tier limited trim with all options. Expensive for a pickup, but actually a bargain considering the industrial-grade components and capabilities you're getting. The F450 Super Duty represents Ford's flagship consumer pickup, the largest and most capable truck you can buy with a traditional pickup bed straight from the factory. 3. International CV Series Pickup. International Harvester, now Navistar International, has a long history of building commercial trucks, but few realize they still offer a genuine factory pickup configuration of their Class 4 to 5 CV Series work truck. This isn't an aftermarket conversion, it comes straight from the factory with a pickup bed and full warranty. The dimensions are truly imposing. Over 25 feet long when equipped with the largest bed option, standing 8 feet tall stock, and nearly 8 feet wide. Park it next to a normal full-size pickup, and the regular truck looks like it belongs in a different weight class entirely. Under the massive front hood sits International's 6.6-liter Duramax V8 diesel, producing 350 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission designed for commercial applications. This is the same basic powertrain used in medium-duty delivery trucks and small dump trucks. What separates the CV from consumer pickups is its thoroughly commercial nature. The frame rails are a massive 9.5 millimeters thick. The electrical system is designed for continuous upfitting of commercial accessories, and even the door hinges are rated for twice the duty cycles of consumer trucks. The pickup configuration comes from the factory with either a standard service body or a more traditional pickup bed that dwarfs anything available on consumer trucks. At 4 feet deep and available in lengths up to 12 feet, these beds can haul material volumes that would overwhelm standard pickups. Inside, you won't find luxury appointments, but rather purpose-built commercial features. Aircraft-style toggle switches designed for gloved operation, a high-vis instrument cluster, storage for documents and work equipment, and seats designed for all-day comfort during 12-hour work shifts. The price starts around $80,000 for base configurations and can exceed $120,000 with specialized body equipment installed at the factory. While you won't find these in typical dealerships, they can be ordered through International's commercial truck network. What makes the CV Series special is that it's one of the few true medium-duty commercial trucks still available in a factory pickup configuration. It represents the middle ground between consumer pickups and purpose-built commercial equipment. 2. Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HDI Pickup. While most people know the Silverado name from Chevy's consumer trucks, the 6500 HD operates in an entirely different league. This Class 6 medium-duty commercial chassis is available from the factory with a pickup bed configuration, creating what might be the largest pickup truck available with a bow tie emblem. The dimensions are staggering. Over 26 feet long with the largest bed option, 8.5 feet tall in stock configuration, and a GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating, of up to 26,000 pounds, roughly the weight of 4 standard Silverado 1500 pickups combined. Power comes from a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel, producing 350 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, backed by an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. While these numbers might seem modest compared to modern consumer pickups, the difference is that this powertrain is designed to maintain peak output indefinitely while hauling maximum loads up steep grades. The frame is on another level compared to light-duty trucks. The rails are nearly half an inch thick and 10 inches tall, creating a foundation that can handle extreme loads over hundreds of thousands of miles of commercial use. The suspension uses multi-leaf springs in the rear, rated for 15,500 pounds. What makes the 6500 HD unique are its commercial-grade features: air brakes rather than hydraulic brakes, an exhaust brake system for controlling downhill speeds with heavy loads, and an electrical system designed to support complex work equipment. The pickup configuration is available with several factory-approved bed options, including a conventional pickup bed measuring up to 12 feet long. 50% longer than the longest beds available on consumer trucks. These aren't aftermarket additions, they're fully integrated at the factory. The Silverado 6500 HD pickup configuration starts around $85,000 but typically exceeds $100,000 with specialized equipment. They're available through Chevrolet's commercial vehicle dealer network rather than standard retail locations. What makes this truck special is how it brings commercial-grade capability to a package that's still recognizable as a Chevrolet pickup, creating a bridge between the consumer and commercial truck worlds. 1. Ford F750 Pickup. This Class 7 commercial truck represents the absolute pinnacle of what can still be classified as a pickup truck while coming directly from a major manufacturer. Ford offers the F750 with a factory-approved pickup bed option that creates what is unquestionably the largest production pickup truck in the world. The numbers are almost difficult to comprehend. Nearly 30 feet long and extended wheelbase configuration, standing 9 feet tall, with a GVWR of up to 37,000 pounds. To put this in perspective, the F750 pickup weighs more empty than an F150 pickup carrying its maximum rated payload. Power comes from either Ford's 7.3-liter gasoline V8 producing 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, or the optional 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel V8, generating 330 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are detuned commercial versions designed for durability rather than maximum output. The chassis is pure commercial truck, featuring 10mm thick frame rails, air brakes, 22.5-inch commercial wheels, and a suspension designed for continuous maximum load operation. This is essentially the same platform used for medium-duty dump trucks and delivery vehicles. The cab is Ford's commercial truck design but can be specified with surprising amenities including air ride seats, enhanced sound insulation, and modern technology features. It's not luxury car plush, but it's remarkably civilized considering the truck's industrial purpose. The pickup configuration is available through Ford's Commercial Vehicle Center dealers, who coordinate with approved upfitters to install pickup beds measuring up to 14 feet long, nearly twice the length of a standard pickup bed. These installations are fully approved by Ford and covered under the factory warranty. These trucks find homes with specialty haulers, large construction companies, and heavy equipment operators who need maximum capability without stepping up to a full semi-truck. With fifth-wheel towing capacities exceeding 50,000 pounds, they can handle loads that would overwhelm any consumer pickup. The base F750 chassis starts around $75,000, but by the time it's configured as a pickup with all necessary equipment, prices typically range from $115,000 to $150,000 depending on specifications. What makes the F750 pickup special is that it represents the absolute maximum size and capability available in a factory-produced pickup truck configuration. It's the point where pickup truck meets medium-duty commercial vehicle, creating the undisputed king of production pickup trucks. And there you have it. The 5 largest pickup trucks you can buy directly from the factory without custom modifications. From the massive consumer-grade Ram 3500 to the genuinely industrial Ford F750, these behemoths represent the upper limits of what manufacturers will sell you with a pickup bed. What's fascinating about these trucks is how they bridge the gap between personal vehicles and commercial equipment. They offer capabilities that would have required specialized commercial vehicles just a generation ago, yet they're available to anyone with enough garage space and budget. If you're in the market for extreme capability with factory engineering and warranty coverage, these 5 giants deliver performance that no custom build can match in terms of reliability and support. Which of these factory monsters would you most want in your driveway? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look at factory truck extremes, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss our next video where we'll explore the most powerful factory diesel engines ever put in production trucks.